Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do this easy sublimation coaster tutorial, especially for teachers because we're about to be back in school pretty soon. So these coasters I did get from Michael's and they come in a 4-pack. So I'm just going to open these up on camera right quick and just kind of lay them out on camera. So while I get these laid out, I just want to express that this is a really simple and easy tutorial. All you have to do is print out your images, size it on whatever space that you're using, whether it's Cricut Design Space or Silhouette or Canva, whichever one, and you can achieve this look. So I did go ahead and use a lint roller, and I just sped this part up just because, it's pretty self-explanatory. You want to make sure you get any lint, any specks, anything off of there, because you don't want that to stick to the coaster when you use your heat press. I did go in with some rubbing alcohol as well, just to wipe these down, just to make sure that they didn't have anything, not even an ounce of dust on there. And this is the designs that we went for. So I am doing a teacher inspired coasters just because of back to school. It's right around the corner for some people, and for some, school has already started. So I did get some of these images from Creative Fabrica, and I have a link down below if you want to use the images that I used. And I also got one of these images off of Cricut Design Space, and I just paid a small 99-cent little fee, and that was that. So you just literally use your scissors and you cut them out, and then you place them on your coaster. You want to make sure that they're centered. Please make sure that they're centered, because nothing is more like upsetting when your design is crooked. So I've already taped down 2 coasters. This part was pretty tedious. You probably do not have to use as much tape that I used. I just wanted to make sure that each corner was taped down, and I just followed the shape of the paper. So I basically made a square with my tape. And once you have that all done, this is what they should look like. So we're going to move over to my heat press, and you want to set your heat press to, I believe it's 357. And I was just following the instructions literally off of the back of the sheet. I believe it was 356. Okay, 356, 357. And you want to set your timer for 80 seconds. And this just allows the right pressure and just the right amount of pressure. So the materials that you're going to need some gloves, just in case you got to touch these things. And you're going to need parchment paper. Now, I already have parchment paper down, and I'll show you that here in a minute. And then I have another thicker parchment paper, just to protect your surface, because you do not want to mess up your heat press. So I was getting ready to press these, and I'm glad that I left this in, because you do not want to do what I did, where I put these face down. You want the white side facing up. So you see I put these facing down. Do you see the problem? Oh, you're supposed to press it this way. So yeah, little commentary there. You want to make sure that you are pressing these upwards where you tape them. So I always do this. I don't know why, but so you want to make sure these are pressing or facing up, and then you're going to put your parchment paper down, and it's just going to count down from 356, 7 for 80 seconds. And once they are finished, this is what they should look like once they are done underneath your heat press. So you can let these cool down, but I guess because I got a little bit too excited that I just went ahead and started ripping off the paper. I'm pretty impatient. And when you're ripping when you're ripping your tape and everything off, please be careful, because I accidentally ripped the actual coaster. And so that part, the part of the coaster is actually really hard to glue down, tape down, anything like that. So just be careful and be mindful of that. Don't go too crazy like I did. But other than that, there was 3 coasters that came out perfect, and I can't really complain. I can always just redo it. But these do make great teacher gifts, especially for the beginning of the year. And you should let me know which one is your favorite. Like I said, I'll link all of my designs that I used down in the description box below, as well as a link where you can use Creative Fabrica and get your first 10 downloads for free. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I do have a little bit of an up close clip, but if you did enjoy today's video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know which one is your favorite. And if you're excited about the upcoming school year, let me know down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys later.